Hello everyone, my name is Umade, wife of a supercharged, energetic businessman and mother of a restless boy who loves coding. I was a teacher, then turned to IT professional and now shifting to digital marketing with core interest in helping people with my knowledge in kitchen and flower garden in this fast-turning digital world. During my teenage days, I do remember watching my father working on his plants in his courtyard. I used to participate along with him, though not truly understanding any of the benefits. From those days, I always had a passion for having my own garden one day. But due to some or the other reason, I drifted away from my passion for owning my personal garden. Anyhow, keeping aside all the hustle and bustle of life, I started with a flower garden on my balcony and terrace. Today, our modern world is attaining success in technology every day. As we are progressing in technology, we are somehow losing out the most essential necessity of life, which is our Mother Nature. We are putting our earth into danger with or without understanding the approaching danger for us and for our next generation to come. It is very difficult to get fresh air in urban areas nowadays. Due to pollution in the air, it is hampering our health very badly. Today we see a shortage of trees and plants in our society and city. Whatever is left are getting affected by pollution. One has to visit the botanical garden to see the trees, plants and flowers. Not only this, there is so much adulteration in vegetables and fruits. People are getting sick by eating adulterated fruits and vegetables. Today, to get rid of this impurities and chemical from our purchased vegetables and fruit items, we wash the vegetables as well before cooking and then boil them, and only after that we cook food. As a child, I used to watch my father planting vegetable seeds in the courtyard. He would take care of his plants very lovingly and nourish them with water and organic fertilizers. I still remember those days when the plant sprouted. I used to be very happy to see the small plants coming out beneath the earth. As I grew, I moved away from gardening. The study, job and then marriage kept me busy with it as I was stuck at home. But over time, everything started changing. My love for nature and passion to grow flowers and vegetable plants started creeping inside me. When I started with my small garden, I was not experienced and did not know the basics of gardening. But as I started learning and growing in this direction of gardening, I found I have little knowledge about the fundamentals of gardening. I believe if you do something from your heart, everything becomes very easy and entertaining. The urban garden teaches us that we don't need a lot of space to grow our own food. There are many ways to build a garden, like vertical gardening, balcony gardening, container gardening, terrace gardening and hydroponic gardening. All these kinds of gardening utilizes our home space very well. The problem with most of the people is that they do not know the fundamentals and basics of gardening. As a result, they lose out on the plants and money spent on them. This course is for those who are interested in gardening for beauty and for food production. Beauty of your home and production of food. You can produce your own vegetables at home with a little care. Here in this online talk course, we would be initiating learning the basics of gardening and other topics related to gardening. We will discuss in sequence in further chapters. Today, perception of people in our society are changing. Changes are coming in people's mind and attitude. Now we are getting aware of the importance of natural and pure air. I do see lots of people are getting involved in growing flowers, fruits and vegetables in their small kitchen and flower garden in urban areas. More and more people are enjoying the pleasure of working in the garden. There are many benefits associated with building and working daily in your garden. It provides us vitamin D as soon as we get exposed to sunlight. We attain fresh air and healthy diets. Gardening reduces stress, and gardening provides a source of exercise to keep our body fit and healthy. There are many more benefits which we'll discuss in details in further chapters. So this was just an introduction part of what we are going to learn in future lessons. So thank you for being with me. Have a great day.